The pivot is the point in space that defines the mathematical center of an object for rotation and scaling. In this video, we'll explore how to work with it and when it might be useful. Sometimes 3D models aren't perfect and need adjustments. Let's take this bed. It's rotated backwards, so we need to fix it. Click the model, edit, set pivot, then tap the horizontal rotation button twice and save. Now the preview looks correct. Let's see how changing the pivot position affects the model. Click Set Pivot and drag the joystick upward. You'll see the red dot moving. This is the pivot point. Click Save and notice how the bed sinks into the floor. You can move it even deeper if needed. Adjusting the pivot is useful for models with parts extending beyond ground level, like table decor, bedding, or lamps. To reset it, click Set Pivot and tap the center of the position joystick. Now the bed is back to its original state. Now let's look at placement options. Models can be placed on different surfaces like walls, floors, ceilings, or a combination. Here's a boho decor item. Click Wall, and now it's attached. Click Set Pivot to view different angles: front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. Use these views to understand model positioning and adjust the pivot accordingly. Floor by the wall placement positions the item on the floor, but keeps it stuck to the wall. Selecting ceiling attaches it to the ceiling, but we need to rotate it. Click Set Pivot, adjust horizontally and vertically, and save. Now it looks correct. If we select walls and ceiling, the model can be dragged between these surfaces. Useful for lighting fixtures. After adjusting, click Done. Let's test it in a room. By default, the model attaches to the wall, but we can drag it to the ceiling, and it auto-rotates to the correct position. Reopen the model and choose Walls and Floor Placement. Done. Now you can drag it between the wall and floor as well. As a side note, when selecting a category, placement is usually detected automatically, but these advanced options allow for more precise adjustments if needed.